T2102 Land Rover Defender ARC Key Case Cover Installation Guide. First, pull out the original key. Pry open the key case carabiner with a mechanical key. Remove the original motherboard. Use a screwdriver to eject the fix pin of the key. Pull out the mechanical key. We're going to use the original key and motherboard. Unscrew the 4 screws in the key housing and open the shell. Installing the original mainboard. Screw in the 4 screws. Be careful not to over-tighten. Test the keys for proper feel. Fine-tune the tightness of the screws to adjust the feel of the keys. Put on the back cover. Screw on the casing. Do not tighten the 4 screws too much to avoid slipping. Install the key. Insert the fixing pin and hammer in with low force. Next, install the key fob. This concludes the installation guide. Thanks for choosing T2102.